Hey guys, this video is for the SoleusAir TCL 45 pint dehumidifier. And if you have an EHcode on the top of your panel and your dehumidifier is not working anymore, it's a good chance that your humidity sensor is defective. It's a pretty easy matter to take apart the outer shell of the dehumidifier by removing the 6 little tiny screws that are located on the body. And once you have the shell removed, you can find the humidity sensor, which is attached to the coil. Here it is. We found it. We've taken it off. We found a suitable match for it. They no longer make the DER version that we have from this dehumidifier 10 years ago. TCL has an updated version. We bought it on Amazon, replaced it. Remember, this is to eliminate the EHcode you get on the top of your humidifier on the digital readout on top. That's telling you that your humidity sensor has failed. So we're going to reattach this new one, put it in right here into the sensor, screw it in, and then put the cover over the top of our humidifier and plug it in, and hopefully we'll be back in business. All right, we've attached the wiring harness right here, just clips right in, and then we screwed down this little Phillips screw to attach it onto the unit. And now we just need to put the exterior panel back on, plug it in, and hopefully that will clear the EH troubleshooting code and we'll be all set. Okay, we plugged the unit back in. We have our new humidity sensor in here, and the code, the EH code, is no longer on the panel. So you can see the unit seems to be working fine. We're going to give it, a couple days, or at least several hours to run and see if it does start dehumidifying our basement. It's been off for a couple of weeks, so hopefully this will help. Pretty easy fix, an inexpensive part, and hopefully our dehumidifier is back in business. We have it hooked up with a hose here, so it just drains off onto our floor drain, and we don't have to empty the bucket. That's very handy. So we'll give it some time, see if it works, but hopefully that took care of everything. Simple fix. If the humidity sensor works, I rate this 5 out of 5 stars because it's super easy to fix and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow my Amazon storefront to purchase this humidity sensor, or to purchase the SoleusAir or TCL dehumidifiers.